Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to integrate ClickFunnels with Aweber. Now, make sure to understand that this is basically how to integrate ClickFunnels 1.0 with Aweber. You can also do this in ClickFunnels 2.0. So let me show you how to do it quickly in 2.0, which is right here. You need to go to your settings, and here on the left side, you will have integrations if you're not in a trial mode. Now, once you click on integrations, you will be able to connect and integrate ClickFunnels 2.0 with Aweber. Now, since I'm in my trial version, I cannot show you this right here, but this is basically how to do it in 2.0. Now, if you're doing this still in the older version of ClickFunnels, you will need to go to your account settings. Then you will need to click on integrations, and from the menu on the left side of the screen, and then add new integration. Now, once you add new integrations, this is how it will look like. Click integrations, add new integration. Here you will need to search here for Aweber. Click on Aweber, and then here you will need to click on new, integration nickname basically. So give your integration a nickname. Then you will need to add integration, connect integration, and then you will be opt-in obviously to Aweber, and then you just need to accept it, click next, and you will be ready to go, and you'll be able to successfully integrate ClickFunnels with Aweber. So if you have any questions regarding this process, comment down below, and yeah, hope this video helps, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.